Alright guys, if you're having trouble unlinking your Xbox account from Roblox, here's how you can do it. This is another method. So go to roblox.com/home here, and we want to change /home to /support. Press enter and it's gonna look like this. So basically we'll need to fill out our email address here. So write an email that you have access to, and then you will select just what device are you having the problem on. Here we'll select Xbox. Then type of help category, we want to select data privacy requests, and then another menu will appear. Here we will do right to be forgotten. Now we want to type something like this. So I'd like to unlink my account, and the first thing that you'll do is write your Roblox username, which is this one right here. So I would like to unlink my account, and you type out your Roblox username from my Xbox account, and here's where you will actually fill out your Xbox account name. Please assist me. Now the Roblox staff should help you with unlinking your two accounts, and if they require any further information from you, they will send you an email to this address that you have input right here. Just make sure you input a correct email address, and that's how you do it. Just make sure you click on continue and send this email. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys and girls next time.